Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to run your website live from your local machine using VSCode port forwarding. No complicated server setup, no headers, just code forward and share your link instantly. What is port forwarding in VSCode? So what exactly is port forwarding? Normally when you run a project locally, say npm run dev paid priorities on serve or other extension, it's only available on your computer. But with VS Code, remote tunnel or dev container, you can forward that port to the cloud and VS Code will give you a public URL. That means you can share your live preview with anyone without deploying it to a hosting service first. Alright, let's get hands on. Open your project in VS Code. Now at this point I am using a Next.js project. Start your local server for Node.js. Press command npm run dev. For Laravel, you can use p-start and serve. For Python, Python -m http server 8000 port. Forward the port in VS Code. Click on Ports tab at the bottom. VS Code will auto detect running ports, or just press your port here and right click on forward port. Get your public URL. VS Code will generate a secure URL like https.github.dev, something like that. This link works anywhere, even on your phone. You need to select this privacy to public, select on this privacy and make it public. This will be available for the whole internet. Only share with people you trust. Links can expire. When you will be close your VS Code, the link will be expired. One more thing, when you close this CLI, this will be close your site, live site. And the best part, no need to ngrok, no manual tunneling, it's built right into VS Code. Quick bonus tips, you can password protect your forward ports. Works with most frameworks, React, Vue.js, Laravel, Flask, you name it. If you close VS Code, the link stops working, so keep your editor running. And that's it. How you can live your website straight with your local machine with VS Code port forwarding. If this helped you, smash the like button, subscribe for more dev tips, and drop your question in the comments.